Hey guys! In this video I will tell you that how you can improve the smoothness and FPS of your PUBG. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. First open your Play Store and search an application named GFX Tool. Click on the first option and install it. The link of the application is also given in the description. After installation, open the application. Here, select your game version. Select your resolution as default. Select the FPS as 90 FPS. Select anti-aliasing as 4x. Make the texture quality as low, effect quality as low. Improvement for effects as default. Color format as 32-bit. After applying all these settings, click on Accept. After this, an advertisement may appear. Close the ad. Now click on Run Game and your game will start with the new settings. After opening the game, you will see the difference in FPS and quality. If the video helped you, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.